Meaning of extremist.
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 Extremist. The term extremist refers to a person or group of individuals who hold extreme, radical or violent views and are willing to use extreme measures to achieve their goals. Extremists often reject mainstream beliefs, values, and regulations, and advocate for revolutionary change through violent or nonviolent means. Their actions can lead to disruption, conflict, and harm to individuals and communities. Extremism can take many forms, including political, religious, and ideological extremism. Ultimately, the impact of extremist actions can undermine social stability, endanger lives, and damage the fabric of society.